Are you a tea lover? As for me, I drink every day. Tea helps me feel relaxed and is a great way to start the day. And sometimes, I carelessly touch the hot cup of tea. This mesh cover helps with insulation. Hold a cup of hot tea without burning your hand. My wooden cutting board tends to shift when placed on a slippery surface. Cut a piece of mesh that fits the bottom of the cutting board. Keep the cutting board steady while chopping. Safer, won't shift. Suitable for wooden and plastic cutting boards. Glassware shouldn't be placed in a box like this. The possibility of collapse is entirely plausible. Wrap mesh around the glass, reduces impact and prevents breakage. Very convenient for picnics and travel. It also keeps you safe from broken glass shards. That's amazing, isn't it? It can also be used as a substitute for shoe insoles. It helps your feet feel more comfortable when walking. I also tried it out. To be honest, it was smoother than I expected. The soft mesh can prevent insects, cockroaches, and ants from crawling upwards. Cut a piece of fruit netting to fit the drainage hole. Put it in the drain. Drainage is also very easy regardless of where you place it. That's very beneficial, isn't it? After boiling, the mesh is soft but still has enough friction. Wash dishes, glasses, and pots without scratching. Less prone to grease buildup, dries faster than regular sponges. The kitchen sink was also scrubbed clean. Additionally, placing a piece of fruit branch under hand soap can also help. Help soap drain quickly. It doesn't get soggy and doesn't stick to the tray. Keep the room clean for longer.